Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. So let's start our maths class. So in the maths class today we are starting a new chapter. Which chapter? We are going to start chapter number 12. Chapter number 12 we are going to start. And what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Money, money. You all know about the money. So in this chapter we will discuss about the notes and coins. Whenever we want to buy something, whenever we want to eat something, we use coins or notes in the form of money. So let's start to read about the money. Beta, this is your maths book, living maths. Open this book at the page number 145. This is the chapter number 12, Money, money. So in this phase, we will start with your warm-up exercise. This is John and this is his mom. Take John and his mom to the correct place to deposit money. Where we go to deposit the money? We go to school, or we go to bookshop, or we go to hospital or bank. Where we go to deposit the money? Think it? Yes, it is correct. Whenever we want to deposit the money, we always go to the bank. So now do this. Where we go? We go from this to this and to the bank. So from like this, you will do this warm up exercise at the page number 145. This is your favorite part. You want to do this, so do it. Okay, now open the next page. Page number 146. Saira. Money, now money. Saira's mother wants to buy fruit. She is her mother. She is Saira. She is her mother. They want to buy some fruits. So what do they need for this? Books, money or toys? So the right answer is money. Whenever we want to buy something, we always use money, not books, not toys. We need money to buy things. These are the Indian coins. 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Like this, I will show you the original currency. This is 1 rupee coin. This is 2 rupees coin. This is 5 rupees coin. And this is 10 rupees coins. Look at this. These are the coins we use to buy something. 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. We use these coins in our daily life. Next is quick tip. A coin has two sides, head and tails. This is the coin of 10 rupees. Look at this. It has head. Where is this? Picture is this of lion. It is head and it is tail. All the coins like this has head. Head is in this side. It is head and it is tail. Now the next is, okay, one thing more is 100 paise equals to 1 rupees. In 1 rupee, 100 paise. 100 paise makes the 1 rupee. In nowadays, we not use paise. Paise has no any value. But rupee, we use rupee. So, but 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Now come to the Indian notes. Which notes we are using? In these days, 5 rupees. Rupees 5 like this. This is 5 rupees note. Next is 10 rupees or rupee 10. It is 10 rupees note. Next is 20 rupees. This is the note of rupees 20. Next is 50 rupees. It is 50 rupees or rupees 50. It is blue color 50 rupees note. And this is 100 rupees or rupees 100. This symbol is we used for the rupees. So rupees 100. I will show you the original currency also. But this is 50 rupees note. This is 100 rupees note. And it is 200 rupees note. We use these currency. We have also used 10 rupees, 20 rupees note also to buy the things, 500 rupees also to buy the things. We use these currency notes and coins to buy the things. These are the notes. Now come to the book. To find the total of notes or coins of the same value, you can multiply like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We have 5 coins of rupees 1. So we can use as 5 into 1. How much money is this? Rupees 5. 1, rupees 1 coin, rupees 1 coin, rupee 1 coin, rupee 1 coin, rupee 1 coin. 1 and 1 2, 2 and 1 3, 3 and 1 4, 4 and 1 5. So its total value is 5. What will you do with the notes or coins of different value? These are the same coins. So we add it or multiply it. 5 into 1 5. But if you have different values, coins and notes, what will you do then? Start with the highest value note or coin. If you have some different notes and coins, what you do? You will start with the highest value. Like in these coins and notes, we have the highest value rupees 10 rupees note. तो हमारे पास सबसे पहले क्या है? 10 रुपीज़ का नोट सबसे बड़ा है. So we start from this 10 plus 5 rupees, 10 and 5 15. Now add these 2 rupees coin, 15 and 2 17, and then last 17 and 1 18. So total value of these coins and note is rupees 18. Understand? Now we will do the same like this in this. Find the total money in each row. Here we have 3 coins, 1 rupees 1 rupees 1. 3 coins of rupees 1 1. So how many coins we have? We have 3 coins. And what is the value of that coin? 1. So how much total money we have? Rupees 3. Same like this, in second number we have 2 rupees coins. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many coins we have? We have 4 coins, and value of the 1 coin is rupees 2. So 4 into 2, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So value of these coin is rupees 8. Next is 5 rupees coin. How many coins we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 coins of rupees 5. So 5 fives are 25. Value of these coins is rupees 25. You can add also. 5 and 5 10, 10 and 5 15, 15 and 5 20, 20 and 5 25. So total value of these coins is rupees 25. Next is 10. It is the coin of rupees 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many coins we have? We have 6 coins. And value of each coin is rupees 10. So 6 into 10 is 60. The total value of these coins is rupees 60. You can add it also 10 and 10, 20, 20 and 10, 30, 30 and 10, 40, 40 and 10, 50, 50 and 10, 60. So these are the value of these coins. Now circle the coins that add up to the price of each object. You want to buy a kite and it is of rupees 15. How much money do you want, or how many coins you have want? You have one 10 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin and 2 rupees coin. How many coins you will take? You will take 2 coins. 10 and 5 15. So that you can buy this kite. Now next is second number. This is a shuttle with which we are playing. So you want to buy this shuttle of rupees 70. You have rupees 10, 5 and 2. Which coins you will take? You have to take all these coins to buy the shuttle. 10 and 5 15, 15 and 2 17. You have to take these 3 coins. Next page beta. Page number 148. It is a birthday cap and it is of rupees 20. You have 3 coins. One is of rupees 10, another one is of rupees 10 and one is of rupees 1. Which coins you will take to buy this cap? We need only these 2 coins of rupees 10 and 10. 10 and 10 20. And you can buy this birthday cap. Number 4. This is a ice cream. If you want to buy a ice cream, you have to pay rupees 22. How much money? Rupees 22. And you have these coins. One coin is of rupees 2, one coin is of rupees 1, one coin of rupees 10 and another one is of rupees 10. So which coins you have to take to buy this ice cream? You have to take these coins. Rupees 2, rupees 10 and rupees 10. These are the coins. 10 and 10, 20, 20 and 2, 22. This ice cream you can buy if you have these 22 rupees, 3 coins of rupees 10, 10 and plus 2. Okay, this is the life skill. Ria and Joseph are visiting a home for old people. They have bought gifts for the people there. Find the money they have spent on each gift. This umbrella, how much they have to pay for this umbrella? Rupees 50, rupees 10 and rupees 5. 50 and 10, 60, 60 plus 5, 65. So they have to pay rupees 65. Next is this water bottle. For this water bottle they have to pay these 2 notes and 1 coin. 2 notes of rupees 50, 50 and 1 coin of rupees 5. 50 and 50, 100, 100 and 5, 105. So they have to pay 105 for this water bottle. Next is this mug, coffee mug. They have to pay 2 notes and 1 coin. 2 notes of rupees 50 and rupees 20 and 1 coin of rupees 5. 50 and 20, 70. 70 and 5, 75. Rupees 75. They have to pay rupees 75.